Oh my god, there is a lot work on my plate. I have to do it very quick and faster. Oh, excuse me everyone. You're welcome. And right now I am at my home and I am going to clean my house. Yes. Because it is the 19th of October and it is a Diwali festival tomorrow. And you know that Diwali really is awesome festival. And we all need to celebrate it with full of the heart vibrations. So let me clarify why I am going to record this. I'm not going to teach you, I'm not going to explain you tips and tricks why which you can improve your English and you can learn the something best. But I'm here to record this, just you will learn something from here. And this is going to blog types videos in which I'm going to record just my home, whatever activity I will do, and I am doing right now. Actually, here you can see right now I'm in the chair. Yes, in or on. You know that the use of in or on. When you sit on a chair, it means the chair has no the side hands like this. Yes, you can see as this is a hands of chair, and when you sit like this chair, you use in. Yeah, I am sitting in chair. Better, better. Or when the chair has no hands, you can use on the chair. I'm sitting on the chair. And here is my table. This is a study table apart from, and I can use it. And in fact, I'm using it while studying on the bed. But when I'm here, when I study here, I use this table, and I put a table, a study table on the table, and an iron on that. And you can see here is some books of my courses. This is the box in which I got these books. And I put some books under the table. Yes, when the something you kept of under some things you can use. I put something. I mean, so books. I put books under the table, and this is called the above. Upper. So let me explain and how I'm going to work all these things. So, firstly, I will clean this fan. This is a table fan which I purchased before many years. Actually, I bought this 4 or 5 years ago. And you can see dust on the chair. A lot. Dust dhool. I'm going to clean this first. So let me clean and stay to watch this video. While I'm doing all the things, I will record my activity and upload. And you can learn from it. I hope so. So thank you for watching and let's be continue with the video. Now I took the clothes and as well as fan. Let's go to clean. And now here I will clean the fan by the clothes. So finally I'm here and I'm going to clean this fan. So right now I am open the clip by which his face side design is attached. So I opened all the clips, and now I am taking apart from this his upper side and the face side designing from the fan. So let me clean it. So I am cleaning right now, and the dust is more. Actually, you can see the dust. So right now I am dusting it. This is the call the blades of the fan. Yeah, what blades? Right now I am moving the blades of fan. You can learn actually, and I don't know that what it's called. I think the functions of this is called the motor, in which a motor is fixed by which it is a rotating actually. So firstly, let me clean first. Now I think it is cleaned. साफ हो चुका है. So let me fix it, and now yeah, I'm going to fix. Oh, where? Yes, like this. Now I'm going to tie it with this clip, and I think it's all done. Now I'm going to clean my press iron, and actually I am cleaning it, I'm polishing it, I'm scrubbing it. So now I kept it inside, and now comes to clean the study table. So I'm cleaning my study table, and this is also my study table where I will keep my books and the copies, as well as fan too. Now I am organizing my books on the table in proper way, and this is a box in which I used to keep a smallest thing in that, and it is also a book where I kept a small things. Now this is the final view after cleaning my study table. So I organized my books on the table, and the sequence, and in same sequence under the table I kept the books as before. So this is the final view how it looks. I think it's awesome, and thank you for watching. So that was the final view of my video, and it is the last part of this video. So how you feel and while watching that videos, let me know in the comment box. And this was not a house like palace, but for me I have grown there, so it's awesome. And the experience and the अनुभव जो भी जुड़ा हुआ है उसे बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. But I don't want to stuck in that. I need to change that, and I will. And you know that I feel I can, and I will obviously. So thank you for watching that, and I hope you all are great and doing well. And in advance I wish all of you happy Diwali. And so फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करें, 2-4 बम ज़्यादा फोड़े मेरी तरफ से भी. थैंक यू.